So the dumpster company usually leaves our dumpster down at the bottom of the driveway, which is kind of a pain when your driveway is like 300 feet long to have to take the trash out. So this is what we usually do. So we take the skid steer and we bring it up closer to the house, and then when it's trash day and they're gonna come empty it, we bring it down there for them to come pick it up. So I'm teaching Kyle how to bring the dumpster up to where it belongs up by the house. I'm giving hand gestures right now to give him some directions. And he's doing very good. He's afraid to hit my truck. I don't blame him. And just so you know, the dumpster is going right there. Let's go, Kyle. Let's go. You can do it, buddy. Doing really good. A little more, there you go. Good job. Almost there. Perfect. Now he'll drop the forks down a little. Now he'll back up. Dude, very good job, man. Yeah, there you go. Now he'll park it. Only issue is he's not going to be able to get out of the cabin. I think he just realized that. He left the pistons up too high. Get him. He won't be able to open the door. And I always told him, leave the forks touching the ground. There you go. Don't want to leave anything hanging in the air.
Good call.
Good job, buddy.